Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. I'm unboxing this from eBay. I asked the person to package it pretty well. Seems like they did. I'm going to take it out of the box. I will show it to you. I can't believe this person sent this with all this stuff in, all the junk inside. Did not have the courtesy to even clean. You see what that is? It's a rat. There's a little rat. It died in there. I can't believe this. This is what they sent me. And that's his tail, I guess. So. Stuck there. This is it. Surely, it's a rat. This is in very, very bad condition. It's just awful. Can't believe people sell this type of stuff. Should be ashamed of themselves. I'll be honest with you, I don't know what to do with this radio. I don't have a heart to throw it away. It's maybe I need to look at it as an opportunity to learn more about repairing every part. And so I decided to really bring it back, and as you all know, as you all know that, I don't have any electronic background. I do this just as a hobby, and my goal always been to preserve, these radios for the future generation. Is there's the technologies, old technology that, of course, the young kids, they don't even familiar with this technology, because they haven't seen it forever. Majority of this radio has been in somebody's attic, storage, tool shed, a different area. So I cannot see myself, to throw this away. There is no part can be used. Everything, as you see, is in the big mass, and so I decide, to see if they take this as a learning opportunity, really, to see how much of this radio can be fixed. So I guess we all gonna learn together. Be patient with me to restore this. It will take a lot of work. I create this list, which is put it up here for you. Really, the rest of what it needs to be done. First, totally it need to be clean and disinfected because of the rats there. You have to do entire radio. Of course, I need to check with Antique Radio Forum online to see if somebody have any information about this radio. I'm going to put a couple of pictures there so they can identify it. If the radio being identified, then I might be able to find some type of a schematic to be able to repair this. As you know, everything, although there's no marking in this, there is all the parts, all the marking came off, so I don't know what type of capacitors, what type of resistors, some of them you can't read. So anyway, that's what I need to do. I need also to document, everything. Tubes, all the parts. So when I take it apart, I know where everything goes. Of course, I need to disassemble all or maybe most of the parts. I need to restore the chassis, which I call a frame, derusted and painted. Also, replace all the bad wires. As you see, all the wires are corroded. Some of them, they're not even there, it came off, so, but I see the tracing of it. Then that's why I need a schematic. I need to test the vacuum tubes and replace the bad one. As you see in the video, they are not good shape. Nothing is good shape. Replace the capacitors, the large capacitor. Unfortunately, as I mentioned earlier, there is no marking on it. Replace all the paper capacitors and also test every resistors. Make sure they're okay. If they're not okay, I need to find what value and replace those. That's why, again, I need a schematic. Restore the dial toner, where actually you tone the radio to the different, the stations, and those are they call variable condenser. Is in awful condition. Some of them even eaten up, and so also I need to. The volume switch is in very bad condition. I need to repair it or replace it. Repair IF cam, or they call them transformers. There's 2 of them. I have to take it apart to see if it needs repair or not. Then the other thing is just a big mess is accelerated coil. That is is awful condition. Then repair the speaker transformer if it's repairable, or replace it, and also the speaker. I'm going to try to learn how to totally restore a speaker. Hopefully going to work. Hey, we never know until we try, right? Then repair the broken radio cabinet. You see the cabinet, when I purchased, I shared earlier, somebody says, oh, it has, the person said, it has a crack. As you saw, it wasn't crack really, it was broken pieces. Then the knobs are missing, so I need to maybe to find something in my toolbox. If I have a couple of knobs gonna fit it. If I cannot find, I have to make 2 of those. Folks, this is going to be a lot of work. But the good thing is about this, I do not give up. You know, I keep going to work in this thing until I make it sing again. Even if I can, one station, if it plays just one station, I'm going to be happy. Because, you know, the variable condenser is not good condition. So anyway, wish me luck. Yeah, I really appreciate all your patience, and so hopefully we can bring this back together. This is not going to be a perfect restoration, to be honest with you. This is going to be like that movie you watch, Frankenstein. You know, that piece by piece have to put it together. So it's not going to be pretty, but I'm telling you, we're going to make this thing sing no matter what. You know, we're going to preserve this. Again, I don't have a heart to throw it away. I don't even want to use the part because none of the parts are good. So I see this as a learning experience, you know, because everything needs to be touched in this radio, as you see, everything. You know, so hopefully I will learn to be able to read the schematics better, because, you know, if I can find the schematics, you know, then I need to go, you know, wire by wire, you know, try to find out where everything goes. And one thing I noticed, somebody has already been under this chassis, that large capacitors really is not belong to this radio, is a very awkward shape. I assume somebody tried to fix this, and they use total different capacitors. Of course, even that is, as you saw, is all too rust out. So there's a lot of things together we're going to learn, and let's work on it, all right? I want to take the opportunity and thank you for taking your valuable time watching these videos. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and you will be notified when a new video being uploaded. You have a great day.